Welcome to Drive Insight, where luxury, performance, and innovation meet. Today we're diving into the jaw-dropping world of the 2026 Sierra Denali van in deep metallic purple, a masterpiece that takes comfort, style, and futuristic technology to a whole new level. Imagine stepping into a van that doesn't just take you places, but transforms every journey into a luxurious experience. From its hyper-detailed chrome accents to massive polished alloy wheels, this van is designed to turn heads the moment it rolls into view. The cinematic lighting in luxury showrooms highlights every curve and line, reflecting the exquisite craftsmanship that defines Sierra Denali's reputation. But it's not just about looks. This van brings advanced engineering and premium features together seamlessly. Think spacious interiors with leather-trimmed luxury back seats, ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood, and panoramic windows that make every ride feel open, bright, and majestic. The dashboard is a masterpiece of futuristic design, with hyper-detailed screens, digital gauges, and chrome accents that scream sophistication. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just cruising the city, the Sierra Denali van promises a smooth, comfortable ride with cutting-edge tech, making every drive effortless. And the best part? It's a vehicle that blends opulence with practicality. Need cargo space? It's there. Want entertainment and connectivity for the whole family? Covered. This van is about more than transport. It's about lifestyle, making statements and enjoying every moment behind the wheel. If you're craving an experience that combines style, comfort, and performance in one luxurious package, you're about to witness automotive excellence. Stay with us because we're going deeper into every detail, every feature, and every luxury touch that makes the 2026 Sierra Denali van a standout masterpiece in the automotive world. And before we dive further, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join Drive Insight, where every ride is an adventure, and every vehicle tells a story that goes beyond the ordinary. Continuing our journey with the 2026 Sierra Denali van, let's explore the spaces that redefine luxury on wheels. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a premium lounge than a traditional van. The back seats offer unmatched comfort with spacious legroom, supple leather, and soft ambient LED lighting that can be adjusted to match your mood. Imagine relaxing here during long drives or hosting a small luxury ride. Experience with friends and family. Every detail screams refinement. The panoramic sunroof brings natural light in, enhancing the sense of openness and freedom. Now focus on the driver's seat. It's not just a seat. It's your command center. Advanced digital dashboards provide full control at your fingertips, while chrome and metallic accents give a futuristic high-end feel. Every ride is immersive, safe, and stylish. Even stepping out, the Sierra Denali van makes a statement with its polished alloy wheels and deep, metallic purple exterior that glistens under showroom lights. It's a van designed to showcase sophistication without sacrificing practicality. And for those who love tech, the van is packed with cutting-edge features, smart connectivity, navigation, entertainment systems, and even advanced safety tech that ensures peace of mind on every journey. It's more than a vehicle. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and a reflection of taste. Every curve, every line, and every metallic accent has been crafted to impress, to inspire, and to redefine what a van can be. So if you've enjoyed this luxurious sneak peek, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Drive Insight, your go-to destination for discovering the finest in automotive innovation. Join us as we continue exploring vehicles that combine beauty, performance, and practicality in ways you've never imagined. The 2026 Sierra Denali van is not just a van, it's the future of luxury driving. And here at Drive Insight, we bring it directly to you.